In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode on your Google Drive for mobile device. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, my Google Drive is as bright as ever. And now I want to change it to dark mode. In fact, it is quite easy. All you guys have to do is simply click on these three lines at the top left, simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, though there are lots of settings, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. The button's right here, just below backup. Once you're in the settings page, well, from here you can manage the storage, auto backup for apps, you can manage the notifications, and finally the thing we're looking for, themes. Right here, click on this choose theme button and something like this will open up. Well, I do want to enable dark mode, so I'm gonna click on dark. And guys, that is it. As you can see, dark mode has been enabled for my Google Drive. It's quite easy. That's the gist of it. That's how we enable dark mode in Google Drive. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.